Airtable looks simple at first, but if you use it the right way, even the free plan is extremely powerful. In this video, I'll show you how to use Airtable's free plan step by step in 2026, from setup to real use cases, without skipping anything important. All right. First, go to airtable.com and create a free account. You can sign up using email or Google. Once you're in, you'll land on the workspace dashboard. This is where everything starts. Now, let's understand the layout. A workspace contains bases, and bases contain tables. Think of a base like a smart spreadsheet, but way more flexible than Excel or Sheets. Next, click Create a Base. You can start from scratch or use a template. For beginners, starting from scratch helps you understand how Airtable works, so choose blank base. All right, this part is important. Each column is called a field, and each field has a type. Text, number, single select, date, checkbox, attachment. Yeah, this is what makes Airtable powerful. Choose the right field type instead of leaving everything as text. Now, use views. Views let you see the same data in different ways. Grid view, calendar view, gallery view, or Kanban view. On the free plan, you can still use multiple views to stay organized. Next, filters and sorting. Filters show only the data you want. Sorting arranges your records, grouping clusters similar items together. This is how Airtable replaces complex spreadsheets without formulas everywhere. All right, quick breakdown of the free plan. You get 1,000 records per base, basic views, attachments with limits, and collaboration with other users. For personal projects, content planning, tracking, or small teams, it's more than enough. Finally, when should you upgrade? If you hit record limits, need advanced automations, or want deeper integrations, then upgrading makes sense. Until then, the free plan can handle a lot more than people expect, and that's the full Airtable free plan guide. Once you understand bases, fields, and views, Airtable becomes insanely flexible, even without paying. Take a little time to experiment, and you'll see how powerful it really is.